Did you know that the All-Father Odin was killed by a mother he used and threw away like trash? Picture this. Loki walks up to Rinda, a frost giant princess. She just gave birth to Odin's son Vali. But here's the thing. Odin only wanted this baby to get revenge for his dead son Balder. Loki shows her the truth. Odin tricked her into having this baby. He used magic to force her. And worse, he's done this to tons of mothers across all the realms. He makes babies just to use them as weapons. Rinda gets furious, but she's smart. She knows Odin's secrets now. She knows when he visits their son, he drops his guard completely. So during one sweet family visit, when Odin is playing the loving father, Rinda strikes. She drives a hidden blade straight into his heart. The mighty All-Father dies in the arms of a mother he thought he could just use and discard.